Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Big up on yourself, my lion and lioness. Give thanks to life another day, you know what I mean? Friday, the 31st of March, as the month is coming to an end, you know what I mean? Give thanks for life, only for seat, you know what I mean? Yes, man, big up on yourself. Yes, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe, click the bell. Right now, this vlog, my viewers and subscribers, is a bit of an emotional one, a sad one, you know? I want to send condolences to my auntie, you know, my aunt. I lost my aunt yesterday, you know what I mean, my father, mother, you know. Lost my father from me at 3-year-old. And she was one of my aunt who has been there for me, you know, with my mother, you know. Helped me with a lot of lunch money and enough things, you see me? So big up my auntie for you, rest in peace. Big up my auntie Blondie, you see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Coming up in this episode, I don't know, a member got murdered at a wedding, you know what I mean? One part of Watch Race. We're going to talk about that and the crime rate in Jamaica. It's not lowering. You see me? I say it's keep rising.
Hey, yes, you master. Done with the kidnapping and the torture. Right now, more butchering, no slaughter. Repent, give your soul to the Father.
Yes, we also have a taxi man lost in 3 points. Also have one part of a gas station there. You see me? I say, yeah, man.
You, I put money by head. Yes, you, I contribute the bloodshed. Don't be a fear, next man dead. Enough hungry people want fed.
Yes, you understand. Donald Trump indicted, first ex-president charged with crime. You see me I say? So we're going to run through all of that, my viewers and subscribers. But we are forward back in them. Yeah, man.
All who live on the line and a chop. And have man lay a pop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. The friendship code crack. Friend and stop, friend and back. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop.
Yeah, man, so I beg the youth them to stop the crime. See? So first we kicked off with a member of bridal party. They don't know KILLED in during a gun attack. You see me I say so. In the start, the wife, you know what I mean, is speaking, and this is what the article says. Her voice cracked as she recalled the shooting incident that turned what should have been the best day of her life into an unforgettable nightmare. Marie had hoped for a more blissful and romantic end to Saturday when she and her husband exchanged vows at their wedding ceremony, which was held at a resort in Negril, Westmoreland. So you don't know, Negril, Westmoreland, where should be a nice place, residential tourism, you know what I mean, attraction and everything. But I don't know, crime and violence stem everywhere now, all over Jamaica, see? So, Jano start, gun attack go on, it's like program around them trail somebody who was invited, who was a guest, you know what I mean, and that person got gunned down, you see me? Yeah, man, I know we say stop the violence against women, stop the crime. So I just want to send my sincere condolences to the family, and I don't know, a speedy recovery of the wife, because right now them traumatized, you see me? Red mash up, gun, you see me I say, Jano Star, my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, let me know what you think about that. Stay safe out there, stay safe, stop the crime.
Hitman, ride out, yang yang. Pull up, loan bang bang. Everybody get wet, all children. Here say a friend peer, fi kill friend.
2 taxi men shot, one fatally in Texaco gas station. So this happened like on Wednesday. You know what I mean? Went viral in video, caught on camera, you know? So, Jaja. 2 taxi men were shot, one fatally, following an incident yesterday evening inside a Texaco gas station at the intersection of Mullins and Walton Park Road in St. Andrew, near my place. The Star understands that the injured man turned up at hospital with gunshot wounds shortly after his colleague was pronounced, you know what. Yeah, so we have some viewers and subscribers, DEAD, Jaja, you see it, so. Taxi men, them say out in the street, they allegedly, they were saying, well, the taxi man mix up, them call him driver. He man getaway driver for which gang in or whatever, you know. But you don't know, we are a man of peace and we don't have no time to dwell on that. We just have to tell the youth themselves to stop the crime. And if you're involved in a badness, you have to just prepare to pay the price. You see me? The repercussions, look out for retaliation, you know what I mean? Because if you attack a man, look forward for a man, take revenge. And if you hurt somebody are going to hurt you back. You know what I mean? Yes, so We have a look at footage of the video. They are showing in the video what I'm going to say what I'm going. That's what I say, but I beg the youth them to stop the crime start. Yeah man, so this is the video, you see me? Caught at the gas station on Bullines Road. Yeah. You can see the bike of them, the young them, you know? I tell you see me, and you can tell us a program run, you see me, some program run, and them know so the target up on the spot, as me say, word out there on the street, I said, the deceased taxi driver, he mix up, you see me? Yeah, he mix up, he one of the getaway driver, so that's what out there on the street, and the lion foot I said that. So you see me, so you can see the man them do them thing, and the young pull up, jump on the back and gone, you see me? Yeah man, and we have to do with them so stop the crime, stop the crime, stop the crime.
Bro, God, same can't stand them. Fed up, him with a love, he hang them. Find him alone, them a cause problem. Senseless, killing him, can them.
No, but me make this clear. Jamaica is a nice place. Jamaica nice country and town. You see? If you want to visit Jamaica, go. Don't be scared. You see me? As long as you know, say, you don't mix up. Once you mix up, that's when you're most likely to get hurt. Unless I'm on bad mind, you see? But other from that, Jamaica nice. They use them a war against them one another, which I would have loved to see stop, you see me? But you know, Lion Foot a preach peace and love, and we are beg the youth them to stop the crime, man. But if you hurt a man family, a man a pray for them hurt you back, or if you could be the driver, the rider, and you gonna do crime, program gonna run back on you, and it look like a that go on in this situation. Program run them see taxi man. I know taxi man them always they're the gas station and them play a supermarket to get a job, you see me? So like program run and them catch up on him. But other from that, Jamaica is a nice place. But we are beg the youth them to stop the crime.
Back to White Wing, Beerland, Rockford, Waterhouse, Greyton, Roasttown, done with the young bang. If you continue, you're gonna get a wrong bang.
Yes, no man, we are switching from the crime and violence to some politics relating to Donald Trump. Donald Trump indicted and is the first ex-president charged with crime. See, I saw this in the Observer. See, so I bring it forth. A marathon grand jury has voted to indict Donald Trump on charges involving payments made during the 2016 presidential campaign to silence claims of an extramarital sexual encounter. His lawyers said Thursday, producing the first criminal case against a former United States president and a hold to Trump's bid to retake the White House. So basically, what am I saying? A grand jury has voted to indict Donald Trump on charges 2016. He paid some money for silence, you know, some claims, some sexual claims. You see me? And in the lawyer said basically producing that first, it will be the first president, former ex-president, to be charged or indicted, you know what I mean, against crime, you know. So they might do everything for try shut out Donald Trump from retaking the White House. All of the Americans, them, if you know listen to this, even Jamaica and the rest of the world, if you don't love Donald Trump or no support of Donald Trump, what do you think about this? You think of sabotage? Let me know in the comment section below. Yeah man, let me know if you would like Donald Trump to retake at the White House or he should not. You see me? Well, I say mixed comments out there. Some people say Biden, I don't know, is more of a war person. And if Trump step in, maybe we can avoid World War III. We saw the world like war right now with Russia, you see me, I say Ukraine, America, England, all of the European, them, the G7, them, or the G5, you see. But let me know my viewers and subscribers. Me just bring this forth to Uno. And you know, once again, I beg the youth them to stop the crime and violence. Big up the poor people production. PLN, no one not going to PLN for now. So I beg the youth them for wallet. You see me, I say Mangostone, Waltham, Delacree Lane, Mackay Lane. You see me? Espute, everywhere, man. Crescent Road. You see me, I say, yeah, man, 2 mile. Just wallet, stop the crime. You don't know, a Lion Foot, the man of pace. Yeah, man, you don't know, we have a student on PLN right now, up and active, you know. So go link up. Yeah, man. I will be love and blessing to say a Lion Foot, you know, say stop the crime.
Mobile, Westmoreland, East Side, St. Catherine. Make we go for a peace ride. Waterhouse, pull up on the seaside. Chew all of the guns, man, on the bottom of the sea. And that's the pre. You always say stop the crime. Yeah, man, too much killing and go on.
Yeah man, stop the crime. The song your name, stop. You see, promotional song on YouTube. You see what I say? Yeah man.
Words of advice and encouragement. Trigger finger, say the mid hot. And I go round on a fire while shot. Stop.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.